We have two really nice products that we use to apply our face makeup. So this is a foundation brush, nice quality, just really soft. And then this is a powder brush. So really cool design. It has a lid, so you can easily throw it in your bag without the brush rubbing up against your bag, getting dirty, but it's retractable. So check this out. The way that you store it is that this part goes up and then you put the lid on, which is really nice. And so when you go to use it, you just, again, this is really soft on your skin, perfect for applying blush, powder, maybe powder around your eyes, under your eyes. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my foundation on. This is a tinted I'm just gonna dab. So what's nice about these brushes is that it really helps you apply your makeup evenly. It's not blotchy. It's really soft, carries the liquid foundation nicely through your face. I love that it's flat. It helps with no streaking. The Kabuki brush, the retractable brush, is good for powder, but also liquid foundation. The brush is dense enough to help you evenly apply.